welcome back to my channel. This is Queen Lee TV and we are back with another video. It is officially the day after Hurricane Beryl in Houston, Texas. Now, I just got here like a year and some change ago into Houston. There was some storms that happened. There was some storms that happened like a couple of months ago. I think it was like a month ago, which was really, really crazy. That was like my first like crazy storm because I'm from the Midwest and we don't be having hurricanes. Y'all know that. We don't be having hurricanes. So this is like really new to me because why we ain't got no power? And this always happens. It's like Houston can't take no type of, like they don't know how to handle these storms, you know? So I have to figure out how I'm gonna function without power. My laptop's dead. I probably will need to charge my phone pretty soon. I can't cook anything because I have an electric stove. No lights, no power, nothing. So you guys can spend the day with me. Probably just gonna do some things around the house, clean. I'm gonna see if the 24-hour fitness gym is open. I know they said it was gonna open at 12, but I don't know because it's really crazy out there. So I'm gonna go there to see if I can like charge my phone and get a little workout in. I don't know. I'm just going to see where the day takes me. You know what I mean? I do not have a lot of resources like that. I just got some cereal yesterday. So I never buy cereal. Never, ever, ever. But I did buy cereal yesterday. So I can eat that. And yeah, I have one flashlight and I have one candle. So I'm going to see how that goes. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned and just rock out with me how I, just watch how I, make this day productive. Watch how I make this day productive even without the power, even without like my regular resources. I can't watch any TV or nothing. That's my favorite thing to do. But yeah, so let's see how the day goes. All right, you guys. Whew, that took a long time. That literally took a long time. Why is cleaning day so hard? But I'm glad I got it done early in the morning. It's like 12 p.m. now. I started at like 10 something. So, wow, that actually took a long time. And that's not, I didn't even like do like a little deep clean. That was like a little soft cleaning day. But yeah, so power is still off. I haven't ate, so I'm about to eat some cereal. And yes, y'all, please don't judge me. I know what y'all about to say. I should not be drinking this 2% milk. I know. Okay? It's just, I actually haven't bought cereal in a very, very long time. Because I feel like I never have time for cereal. I never have time to wake up in the morning, make me some cereal. Like, I'm always on the go. So, so I'm just now, getting back to my cereal days. I know I'm drinking this milk, but it's what it means to. I don't know. This is weird. I'm using sunlight. I always use natural sunlight for lighting. So that's like nothing new. It's just like the nighttime. Oh, I hate it when it's the nighttime. Because it's like, I literally cannot see. Like I already have like bad vision. But when it's dark on top of that, and all I have is a little flashlight and one candle. So the nighttime is going to be a challenge. Not going to lie. My phone is, it's like on 50%. Or it's only 12 p.m. I was going to try and find a building where I can charge my laptop. Because my laptop actually helps because I can use my ring light and plug it in the computer and use my ring light so there's more light. And also, I do have some stuff that I need to work on, which I can use my hotspot from my phone for the Wi-Fi. So, yeah. So we're gonna see how the rest of the day goes. I have to get gas so I can actually charge my phone in my car. So that's an option as well. So I have to go get gas. I'm literally have like 2 miles, 2 gallons. No, not 2 gallons. No, like, yeah, I have 2 gallons left, so just about that time. So yeah, so just using resources, people back in the day, they didn't have all this electricity, so we live in like them right now. It's possible to live like that. My biggest concern is like the meats that I have in my freezer. I know it could last a couple days. Just need to keep it closed. But I'm not using it anyways because I don't have a stove that I can use. So, yeah. What a day. And I literally just came from Chicago yesterday morning. And I'm like, I literally could have stayed there. But it's whatever. I'm not complaining. I'm happy that I'm alive. I have a home. I have shelter. I'm grateful. So, so what I plan on doing is I'm going to read my Bible. I've been reading my Bible very, very often. I try to read it every day. If not every day, at least 5 to 6 times out of the week, I read my Bible. So I'm definitely going to read my Bible, make some notes. I just bought a journal yesterday because I want to start my diary again. And having my diary, it could be a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. Because once I start getting into, I've had a diary before, but I just ran out of pages and I just haven't been writing in it like that because everything's been going well. So I usually write in my diary when I feel like I have personal problems that I have and, I have no one to talk to, or if I'm in this, if I feel myself getting in this depressive stage. I'm not saying that I'm depressed, but I am, my mind has been over the place lately. And, it hasn't been like this in a long time. I am like going through like a small, it's not nothing big, but it is a small storm that, you know, that I do, you know, need to express. I don't know. It's just something, it's just a journey. You know, it's part of the journey, whatever God has planned for me. But I will get into that later on in my YouTube videos. I want to get more, like, I want to get deeper with y'all. Like, I feel like lately I've just been posting, you know, regular vlogs and stuff like that. But I actually want to, like, sit down and talk with y'all for real. So I'm going to be doing that more. So I want to do that more. I don't want to just put bad things in my diary. Like, I don't want to just do that. Like, I also want to put good days in my diary too. So that's why I'm like 50-50 with my diary. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, I just got a diary. But at the same time, it's like, but I can talk about good days, bad days, you know what I mean? So, yeah. So we'll see, but that's next on the agenda. I don't know about y'all, but that smells good. Let's get comfortable here. So, yeah. I have been reading Proverbs 31 days in July. Because since July has 31 days, I've been reading Proverbs 31 chapters. I haven't been on my P's and Q's, but at like all the days that I accidentally missed, I just read them at the same time instead of doing like, you know, 1 and 1 1. So I'm catching up. So I already read 3 chapters. It's July 8th, I think, right now. So I have to read to Proverbs 8. So yeah, and so I'm going to pick out like a verse from each chapter to see which one really pops out the most to me or like means the most to me. And then I'm gonna write like what it means like to me. So if that makes sense, I don't know. So yeah. So I'm gonna use this for 31 chapters of Proverbs, and I'm also gonna use it as my diary. So I'm just gonna mix it in because I don't have many journals. And usually, so this is like, I don't usually do this. I just saw it on like a trend on TikTok. So if I was like to read my Bible like any other day and it wasn't like for Proverbs, I already have like a book that, you know, it has like questions, it has like prompts and stuff like that. That's what I usually write in. So it's not really just like a regular journal. So for Proverbs, this is like a special month that I'm doing. I'm just gonna do it on here. And yeah, so after I read and write, I will share with you guys what I learned from Proverbs 8. Well, not from Proverbs 8. I will share what I learned so far reading Proverbs. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back. My phone died. Sorry about that, but you know, had to come over to Jakara's house. She ain't got no power either, but she does have a working laptop that I can charge my phone. And so yeah, so just using our resources and stuff like that. So
we're finna move from out of here.
Yeah,
this is not. We're city girls. This is not built for us.
Houston is something different, I tell you. Houston is a different breed.
Country.
Real. Yeah.
They can live without electricity and stuff.
I'm thinking about like back in the day, like, all
Chopping
right,
down wood.
they didn't have electricity, you know what I'm saying? You know, gonna have to live
They
like
were so
them.
bored.
They use their outside resources, but yeah, I'm just gonna charge my phone for just a little bit more, so I'll check in back with you guys. Yo, y'all. 12, what? It's actually been like 17 hours later. The power is back on. Thank you, God. We needed it. Because it's about to be so hot outside tomorrow, y'all. It's crazy. Like, Houston is crazy. Like, it's literally about to be hot outside tomorrow. And we need some AC. And I'm so happy we got the power back. Like, it really wasn't that bad of a day. Like, I just couldn't watch TV. You know, it wasn't that bad. Like, it was a good day. You know, it was an eventful day. It was a productive day. I got a lot done, you know. It was cool. Having the power out was cool. I mean, I just don't like it when the power is out and it's night. Like, I could do day. Like, daytime, easy. But nighttime, So, yeah. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. I will be vlogging more. Yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for coming along with me and, you know, just being there for me. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.